Today, the film industry of Azerbaijan, which dates back to 1898, marks its 114th anniversary. The first Azerbaijani movie Oygash in Balakhane, shot by Anten Mishan, was screened in Baku on August 2, 1898. Following this movie, Uzer Hacıbeyev's Textile Buyer and If Not That One Let's Be This movies were screened in 1916 and 1956 relevantly. Movies of Soviet production that Gorgud Nasimi and Bekhtiyar were very popular among the population. The film industry of Azerbaijan was restored in 1993 after Azerbaijan gained independence from the Soviet Union. The law on cinematography adopted in 1998 is one of the achievements of the national cinematography. Every year, the Azerbaijani government allocates funds from the state budget for filmmaking. 600,000 manats was allocated in 2000. In 2005, this figure was 1,400,000 manats. The government investment on cinematography reached 3,300,000 manats in 2007. Different movies, documentaries and cartoons were produced during these years. However, they were too small in number and did not meet high standards. August 2nd was declared National Movie Day under the presidential decree signed on December 18, 2000.